Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking fish in tomato or Pangat na Isda. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have onions, tomatoes, ginger, grape tomatoes, calamansi or calamansi. We cleaned the fish here already. You can use any kind of fish you like. We have green onions, eggplant, fish sauce, vegetable oil, black pepper, salt, and fresh garlic. So let's proceed to cooking. Now, this is a very simple recipe, and this fish recipe is very tasty. So, first step, we have at the bottom of the pan here. Okay, let's layer it down. All right, and then put some tomatoes in. Layer it too. Okay, this will serve as a good layer for the fish, so it won't stick on the bottom. Let's put ginger in. Fresh ginger. Okay, layer it down. All right, and let's put the fish. Okay, let's put the fish like this. All right, and there you go. And then put another layer of the final layer of onions. It's beautiful, isn't it? So there you go. And then another layer of tomatoes. Okay, there you go. This is so simple, and this will give the tomato will give the fish a real good taste. And ginger again. Okay, all right, okay, there you go. And then let's put green onions. Okay, and then 2 teaspoons of patis or fish sauce. Okay, it's a little of olive oil or vegetable oil. Okay, dust of pepper. Okay, and then dust of salt. And this time we can also put, let's say, 2 or 3 spoonful of water. Okay, the tomatoes and fish and other vegetables will produce its sauce, so we don't need a lot of water. So we will boil this for the next 15 minutes and it will be done. But for the meantime, we're gonna add a little of our calamansi or lemon. You can use lemon too. This is what we call calamundin or calamansi juice. Okay, there you go. Yeah, this will be real tasty. The calamansi is a lot better than lemon juice. go. There you go. Now we can put our eggplant on top. All right. There you go. And that's it. And then we're gonna boil this. Now we are starting our burner here, and we will boil this in medium heat for the next 15 minutes. In the meantime, we'll cover this. Now after 3 minutes, let's check on the fish. Okay, this time we can add our hot peppers. This is optional, and it's up to you if you want to add a little of spiciness here. So let's continue boiling it. Now it's starting to boil now. Let's add just a little of garlic, fresh garlic. Okay. All right. And that's it. We'll cover this again. Now let's check our fish. Wow, smells so good. Wow, this is done. We're gonna put our final touch here, and we will put this in our serving dish. Okay, we'll put our grape tomatoes and some green onions. We're gonna wait another minute, and we can transfer this into our serving dish. So 1 more minute. Here is the finished product: fish in tomatoes, or Pangat na Isda. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.